is, it's coming down. Holy crap. Yeah.
Wow.
It is.
Oh, are you freaking kidding me?
No.
Why don't I hear sirens? Oh, wow.
Holy
crap. Should I go tell the neighbors?
Oh my God.
Why aren't the sirens going off? Here comes the wind.
Holy shit.
Get in the car though.
No. We're gonna go in the frickin' house if it gets closer. I shit you not.
I cannot believe the sirens are not going off.
Go on by us and then come down, you son of a bitch. Go listen to the radio, see if there's anything on the radio.